Hey guys, it's me back out here, Fire Alarm Recovery, back out here in my house system. Here, panel, MS9200 UDLS addressable panel. We got a FCI MS6 pole station, not a MS6, a MS2 I think, I don't know. Simplex 2090 something T-bar over here. It used to be like right over here, but I just took it down because system sensor L series annunciator. I mounted it like SCR safety, flush mounted. Batteries, resistor off. The troubles are just nothing. And we have two more devices. If we go over here, here's my desk. What's my stuff? I know it's a mess. I'm just working on it right now. We have a Gamewell to check what it is. M4620. I think that's it. I don't know. Gamewell Century. I'm just gonna, it's kind of hard doing this one-handed. Okay. Then in here, we got the smoke detector. That's all of it. So, I might be smoke detector testing it, push buttoning it, or yeah, those are only two I can do. Next test I'll do the smoke saver. Today I'm gonna push button it. So I have the panel into walk test because my dad's upstairs and I don't want to make him mad. So. Sorry, it's a mess. I'm just working on this board a lot. Here, let me just find my Pokey Wokey Smoky Dokey stick. Let's test the Smoky Wokey Pokey. Don't mind the wire because that's like, I have to step over it. Would be nice. Where's the smoke detector again? Where is it? Okay. So, I'll put you guys on the, I'm gonna just take my system out of walk test. This pull station's not working. See, nothing's working. It's not working. So I have to wire that up later. Press reset. I put a screw in here so I don't have to hear the beeping. I like this beeping better than that beeping. Enter. And here is how you program it. You press enter or mode. Press 2. Level 1 passwords, all zeros. And then you're going to go next. NAC 2 is what it is on my System Sensor L series. And we're going to go press ESC, 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 ESC. Whatever. Did that just break my buzzer? I hope that's... Okay, we got one trouble on there. We can check on the annunciator. I'm gonna go test my Gamewell Century first. We're gonna go get a key. We're gonna reset this police station first. There's a reset key, PK625. So, we're gonna take it. I'm gonna try doing this one-handed. My camera's out of focus today. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna test this pole station first. I can't pull it because there's a glass rod in there, so because my fingers can't reach it. Can't tell if that's a key or this is a key. Here's a key. Just try to. There you go. The silence from the annunciator. The lock is missing, so I have to put my finger in and just do that. Okay. And let's try the Gamewell Sentry. Focus. Pull down. Okay, let's silence from. And now it sounds. Okay, now let's. Oh my God! Stop. Oh man. Dun 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 dun. Okay. And this is the actual height for the pole stations and where I live in Massachusetts. Don't tighten it a lot, else it'll bend it, so loosen it a little bit so it doesn't like really come up. Okay. Okay, well, that must not. Okay, so we're gonna take the smoke saber. Gotta get it out. There we go. Press a button. We're only gonna do a little bit, so. Only a little bit. You only need a little bit. These detectors are kind of old, so. Okay, so it's blinking. If it blinks one time very slow, that means it's gonna activate soon. See how it blinks again. Come on, any second now. Ooh, almost tripped. Okay, there we go. Now you want to decide to work, don't you? honestly. I might put that as profile picture. I think we tested all of them. Did we test this pole station? I'll do it again. Yeah, we did. Why did I pull it again? Here's one of my 4B keys because I have so many cool stations. It's not even funny. Okay. We might get a guys, look at my Milwaukee video. My tools and stuff. Won't fit the key. No power. And here we go. Power on back on. There we go. These batteries I probably had in for a month now, and they're doing pretty good. This is just a quick test because it's like, what? $8:57. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. My sister didn't come home with the food yet, so probably so gonna have Raising Cane's. It's cold in Massachusetts right now. Man, gotta go to middle school now. Yeah. Let's hit this pull station again. I should have key activated it. Full screwdriver activated it. Not gonna lie, I should put an enunciator over here. I might buy another enunciator. I usually just do this. Boom. Not even needing a screwdriver. Be quiet for a second. Man, that's a heavy lock. Boing. Okay, Sesame Street. Let's go back to NAC. You're gonna go NAC 2. Nope. Enable, yes. Back out, back out, back out, back out, back out, back up. fire alarm system. Subscribe, you guys. The video, we probably gonna have 2 more minutes left, but okay. Audio visual. Pole station. Horn strobe set on. Code 3. System sensor sync. Audible silence. Let's hit it. System sensor sync, baby. Bro, if that detector... Bro, two things actually activated. The 2-wire detector in the pole station and the 2-wire detector. That's crazy, bro. Crazy. Okay, let's grab my keys. And let's hit the simplex. Here, let me figure out the model number for a second. It is the 2099-9754. Oh my god. I'll fix that later. Let's take our B key. Here's our B key, Cat 30 key. Let's hit the 2099-9754 pole station. Pull down. Audible silence. Or sync mutes or something. I don't know. Man, that lock is hard. Baby lock them. I've replaced the Firelight BG12. You know what? Yeah, I'll save that for the next video. See you guys later.